Hi, Smriti.
Hello and welcome everybody to Light Keys Experience. I'm so grateful that you're here. Thank you so very much. And how are we doing today?
Good.
Good?
Smriti.
Excellent.
Hello everybody.
Hello.
Nana, we are all good?
Hello.
Hi everyone. Thank you so much for being here today. Good
Yes.
evening, good morning, good afternoon, depending on which country you're joining from today. I am so grateful for all of you for being here, and a big thank you to everybody who's watching on Facebook Live today and in the future, and also to all the people who'll be watching this in the future on various platforms. Thank you so much for choosing to be here and taking your time out to experience something that has been such a big contribution to me and my life. And I love sharing what I experience with this journey with Light Keys. And hence this invitation for more and more people to experience it and to bring more light and lightness into, their world, just like it's brought to mine. So one thing I do know from whatever life I have lived, and I have lived quite a bit and been through quite a lot, what I have understood is that we create our reality depending on what our points of views are, what our beliefs are, and depending on what frequency I'm functioning at determines what experiences I create for myself. And if I am functioning from what in certain practices are called low life conditions, or in another language it's called when I'm functioning from a low vibration or a low frequency, or I'm functioning from that place where I'm in a funk, I'm not feeling too good, my thoughts are not exactly the most positive. What I'm doing is I'm creating something of a similar effect on the outside. So my environment and whatever is going on outside of me reflects what's going on inside of me. So then it becomes critical that I function from a place of awareness where I acknowledge that I'm a creator of my life and I have a choice in every moment how to respond to a situation, how to act in a situation, what to do, how to be in any given scenario in my life. And yes, there's that concept of positive thinking. We must think positively. But yet, it becomes very difficult at times for people to, think positively or operate from that life force, which is high, vibrant, happy. Yeah. And that's where Light Keys comes in. And so does many other modalities of work that we have, many of us here have experienced. I see a lot of friends who are in the field of facilitating transformation, doing healing work. And I want to say I'm so grateful for each of you who chooses to do this work, because it is so wonderful to create shifts in people's universes. It's so wonderful to bring new perspectives to people's worlds where they can look at the same situation in a different way. And it's precisely that when we look at something in a very different way, which is from a place of possibility, not a problem, then what we create is something very different. So when we use light keys, this is what we do. We bring in more and more light into our world, into our life, into our body, into our being, and we create a lightness. So all that is dark, all that is dense, we are able to transform it into light, transmute it into light. Everything is energy. Universe understands the language of energy. It does not necessarily understand the words, is what I understand, but it understands the energy you are being right now. So, like for example, when I lived as the energy of a victim, that people had done things to me, they were the ones to be blamed. They were wrong. They spoke like that with me. So and so did this to me. So when I functioned from that place where I was not feeling fantastic, I was not feeling very good, basically I was vibrating at a very low frequency. I kept recreating similar natured experiences which had a similar energy, which is low. So, uh, many years down the line, incidents and circumstances brought me to this field of alternate healing where I started kind of looking at everything from a new place, that this is how we create our circumstances, our life and situations. Very hard to accept concept, at least that's how it was for me. But I had to look at it, because if I would like to have a life which is nicer, which is greater, which is filled with, lots of happy stuff, then I and I alone am responsible for creating that happy life for myself. So I got to work and I started learning, and I let go of a lot of my victimhood, and I let go of all my dramas. I mean, it doesn't feel, you know, uh, what do I say? It doesn't feel like, do I have to give up my drama queen title? No, I don't want to give it up. Then what will be there in the life? What will be exciting about life? But as I gave up my victim role, as I gave up my dramas, my traumas, my choice to be pathetic, now I know it was a choice, my life got better. The more I chose to live with lightness, the more I chose to live with ease, happiness, joy, and most of all, gratitude, the more I saw my world changing. So, yes, I have used a lot of tools, a lot of modalities along the way to enable me to get to this place where I am today, where I'm in love with my life. I love who I have become. I love who I am becoming each day. And I love the fact that from a place of living as a finite being and not even knowing that we are actually infinite beings, to that point, okay, I'm an infinite being, but how do I be one? To this point where each day I'm stepping into more and more of that, which is the truth of me, that I'm an infinite being. My life is getting more and more phenomenal each day. Do I have everything that I may desire? No. But do I have many things that I once desired? Yes. And I know that if I can have created this kind of life that I enjoy today, I know I can create more. So, one of the modalities or a body of work, I think that's what I would like to call it, a body of work that has contributed to me on my journey is Light Key Systems. Now, Light Key Systems is something that was channeled by Nirmala Raju. She's also known as Neela, Nimi. I call her Neela. And she had channeled this Light Key System in 2011. She had channeled Mother Mira Alfasa, the French lady who moved to India and set up the Auroville, as most of you would know her. And she channeled Mother Mira, and she was given this information about these high vibration symbols and high vibration frequencies, which if we apply them or use them or invite them into our life and invoke them in our life, we can create healing for self, for body, for our being. So Neela is an engineer by profession. She owns and runs a very huge IT company. But at the same time, she's always been drawn to this world of healing, and she has done some 40, 45 modalities she has learned. And she has been facilitating transformation for clients for many, 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 many years. So in 2011, when she got this information, she channeled this. She started using it for herself, for her clients. And then in 2019, she was guided to take this out to the world. And that is when she put up a post on Facebook asking people if they would like to trial this. So she said she's channeled some information about these high vibration keys, and she's looking at people to trial it. and she would like to trial it to 33 people. So, of the many people who responded, I was also one of those people who saw that post that day. It wasn't a coincidence, I know. And I responded to that post, and I got lucky, and I became one of the 33 people as part of what she now fondly calls the master batch. And we started trialing with one key, and then she kept downloading more stuff and channeling more stuff, and we kept trialing all of that. And at the end of a few months, I saw that I had been on a very intense journey, but I had emerged from it as somebody who was even more deeply happy. I was already happy, but I was even more deeply happy. There was this sense of calm. There was this sense of surety. There was this sense of deep knowing as to who I am and what I am and what am I here for. And it was amazing to have that calm and that ease in my heart. And so I continued to enjoy the body of work. And then in October, Neela said, I'm coming to India in December. And I'm wondering if we could have a live class while I'm there. And so I volunteered. I said, hey, why don't you come to Mumbai? I would love to host you. And so Neela came to Mumbai in December 2019. And on 17 December, we had our first live class in Mumbai. And from there has just been no looking back. The tribe has been growing. And a lot of people have been using the Light Key system. It's now spread over many countries. There are lots of people from lots of places. And then in January this year, she opened it up for people to even facilitate the classes that she had started rolling out. And of course, I was one of the first to put my hand up. I love facilitating change. And I was looking for something like this, which I could use on a distance basis. And what did I know? Come March, COVID, lockdown, and I could not meet my clients. I could not work with clients personally, one-on-one. And here I had a new body of work, which I could use to facilitate clients from a distance basis. Because all of this work, which is the Light Key Systems work, is possible to do on a distance basis as well as on self. And so I applied for the facilitator programs, and I ended up becoming a facilitator of Light Key Systems in March, and I started facilitating Light Key workshops from 31st March. And I, at this moment, facilitate 15 different classes. And I also have my own Light Key specialty class called Fearless Living. And all of this information is there on my website, which is smitishivdasani.com. So I'm not going to load you with all of those details here, but you can always check out all the various kinds of Light Key classes that I do teach. And there are self-help programs, and then there are also certification programs where people who work with clients can do these classes, get certified, and work with clients. And all can be done in person and on a distant basis as well. So it works out beautifully well. And I'm just so grateful that I could add this body of work to the work that I already do. Like many of you know that I'm an Access Consciousness certified facilitator. And I love that work. And I have been doing that since 2014. And I'm also a body whispering practitioner and the regional head for India for body whispering. So that's another body of work that I love, I enjoy, and I work with. And now this Light Keys system that has become one of my other main bodies of work, which I'm just so grateful for. And very soon I have another body of work coming in, which I'm getting licensed for this month. So I'm just so super grateful that I get to facilitate change. I get to bring light and lightness into this world. So today I wanted to introduce all of you to the Light Keys experience. Like I know many of you here have done some classes, and then there are many of you who have not experienced Light Keys at all. So whether you've done it already or you've never experienced it, really a huge welcome once again. And let's just go with the flow and let's just see what comes up. So One of the commands that we use in light keys is called the light matrix command. And that's what I would like to work with to begin with all of you. So I would love to know if there is something that is creating a kind of a stressful situation or making you feel very heavy, leaving you feeling not so good. If there's anything that's going on, bring that situation up into your awareness. It could be an incident that's happened that's making you feel horrible. It could be something that's going on with your body that's not feeling really very good. It could be somebody said something to you and you're not feeling good about that. Whatever that is, tap into that dense, heavy energy and rate it, rate its intensity on a scale of 0 to 10, where 0 is not intense at all and 10 is very intense. And so for those of you who are on Zoom with me, I would love for you to type it into the chat that on a scale of 0 to 10, what is the intensity that you're experiencing? And also, where are you experiencing it in your body? Just connect with that as well. So we have some feedbacks coming in. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. All right. All right. Great. Great. Okay. And now I invite you to close your eyes if you like. You don't have to, but very often closing it just allows you to be with yourself and stay present with that intensity that you're experiencing. So just connect with that intensity. And now we're going to run this command, light matrix, clear, cancel, and transmute this. Light matrix, clear, cancel, and transmute this. Light matrix, clear, cancel, and transmute this. And allow this light matrix, which is a beautiful light mesh that connects all of us and all of us to the source of light. Allow this light matrix to clear, cancel, and transmute this intensity that you are experiencing in your body. Light matrix, clear, cancel, and transmute this. Light matrix, clear, cancel, and transmute this. Give yourself the permission to transmute that intensity. Light matrix, clear, cancel, and transmute. You may have some awareness showing up, or you may have some emotions showing up. If that is so, it's okay. Just allow it. Light matrix, clear, cancel, and transmute this. And if you get the sense that you're done, just check in. Has the intensity reduced? Is it the same? Has it gone up? And just type it into the chat. Whatever it was first and what is it now? All right. So for a lot of people, it has reduced. For some people, it is the same. For one odd person, it is gone up. And all is okay. All is fine. Great. Great. All right. Reduced, almost non-existent. Awesome. So for all that has gone down, fantastic. For all for whom it is still the same, I invite you to continue to call upon the light matrix to clear, cancel, and transmute that intensity. Just continue working with it. Allow the light matrix to transmute that intensity. Don't give up yet. Light matrix, clear, cancel, and transmute this. Thanks, Nana, for putting that there. Light matrix, clear, cancel, and transmute this. And if you like a visual, imagine a mesh of light. And let that mesh of light just go into that density, wherever it is in your body, and allow it to come out, go in, come out. And just allow that mesh to go through that intensity. And all energy is transmutable. So allow it to transmute. Allow more light into your life. So light matrix, clear, cancel, and transmute this. And I would invite you to call in one more frequency, which is called the waves of kindness. Ask for waves of kindness. Waves of kindness. This is a very beautiful frequency. It's like white streaks, white waves with an emerald green background for those who are visual. Allow the waves of kindness to come in to your body or to that place where you're feeling the intensity. And just say waves of kindness. And let the waves of kindness contribute to the creation of ease with this intensity. Waves of kindness. Waves of kindness. And now check in. How are you feeling now? And all who were at same or more, has that changed for you? And for whom it has reduced already, has it reduced even further? Better, gone down, slightly better. Great. Parveen, just keep, this energy will keep working. The frequencies will keep working. So just be in allowance of it. Much better, slightly better, better. Awesome. Great. Yeah. Monica, with the waves of kindness, it reduced even further. Great. Awesome. Reduced to 4. Super. some energy is flowing in and out. Yes, Renu, that's just the way the waves work and the light matrix works. So it kind of feels as if it's flowing in and out. That's fantastic. Awesome. Awesome. This is how simple it is to use light keys. And the more you're willing to let go of anything that is dense, yes, it is so simple and smooth. Thank you for saying that. Uh, so the more you're willing to just ask for waves of kindness or use the light matrix command, the more you let go or transmute the heavy energies, the intensities, there can be more lightness. And the more you function with lightness, you have more ease in your life, and you keep creating, like I said in the beginning, you keep creating similar environments on the outside, which means you can have more lightness, more fun, more ease, more joy, and all of that that you're asking for. So the key, the trick, is to always function from lightness. Always, it's like, when you want to listen to a particular channel of music, you have to tune into that channel, right? If you don't like what's being broadcasted on that channel, you can't force the content of the channel to change. But you can skip or switch to a channel where there's a program that appeals to you and is playing there. So you cannot change the content on a frequency because that frequency represents or contains or carries that content. But you always have a choice to tune in to a different frequency, to a different channel. Okay? So light matrix command and the waves of kindness are one of the many, many, many tools of light key system to change anything in your life. Yes, there will be a lot of things which will be very deep rooted, and just this much may not be enough. And that's what the workshops are all about. Going into specialities, like you want to change abuse, you want to change trauma, you want to change some resentments, you want to change pain, you want to rebalance the chemicals, the hormones, the blood in your body. You want to activate prosperity. You want to cleanse, purify, detox your body. You want to have that place where you can have very calm nerves and have deeper sleep, better sleep. You want to change your level of intimacy with your partner and make it even greater and deeper. You can do that. So there are different kinds of classes that are available using different kinds of frequencies and high vibration, keys, which are put together, which are combined in a certain process, in a certain like steps, and they become protocols. And as you use those protocols, there are all sorts of areas of your life that you can start changing. So I want to introduce also one of the keys. Okay, so this is called the kindness key. So basically, it is two infinity symbols, okay, crossing each other and so diagonally crossing each other, yeah. And this is called the kindness key. This is a high vibration key which you can use in situations where you are, again, like feeling a little stuck, or you're just feeling very heavy, you're operating at very low frequency, and you want to just change that and feel better. You can bring in this key. Okay, so let's let's play with this today. Let's see where it goes for everybody, okay? So what I would like you to do is, again, bring into your awareness something that is bothering you. So you worked on one thing in the previous exercise. Now I'd like you to take up something else. Or if you want to take up the same thing because the intensity is not completely gone away, you're most welcome to do that as well. So just bring into your awareness something that is feeling intense for you. Everybody has something. Acknowledge where in your body are you feeling it. And now I'd like you to draw the kindness key with your gaze. So I'm going to trace it with my fingers. And if you would like to trace it with your own fingers, you can. So basically, you will start at the center and you will go clockwise, and then you will go anti-clockwise. That will be that one infinity symbol, which we call the master key in the light key system. And then from the center, you will make the second infinity symbol diagonally crossing each other. Okay, so I'm going to do it here for you. So everybody has a situation in their awareness, what they would like to change. And now I'd like you to type in how intense is it for you on a scale of 0 to 10. Just type it in, 10 being maximum intensity, 0 being no intensity at all. Awesome. Thank you for your responses. Great. It could be stressful situation with regards to money, with regards to a relationship, with regards to your body, your health. Awesome. So thank you for that feedback, for everybody for typing it in, and for all on Facebook. I'm so sorry I cannot see your responses, but I hope you're playing along. All right. So now with your eyes, so you can move your fingers to draw it, or you can follow my finger and let your eyes trace the kindness key. Okay. So here you go. Starting at the center. We're going to do this thrice. And now close your eyes and just sit with this energy of the kindness key. Just receive the energy of this kindness key. And now call in waves of kindness. 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 Beautiful. And now, just check in. Is it as intense? If you want to continue, just continue receiving this energy. Lambo is gone. That's wonderful. I'm so happy for you. You're so welcome, sweetheart. For those who are done, you can open your eyes and just type in, is the intensity still there? Has it reduced? Is it the same? Is it gone up? Wow, gone. Yay! Awesome. Gone. Awesome, Shagun. Fatima, just allow the kindness key to work with you even further, please, and just keep calling in waves of kindness. Okay, great. Punk, I don't know how to pronounce that. I guess it's Punk, but Punk, just keep using the kindness, waves of kindness, please. Just say waves of kindness and allow the kindness key energy to be with you. Okay? Much less from 4 to 2. Thank you. It's amazing. Yes, it's amazing. Rohini, I'm glad it's slightly better. Just allow the energy to keep working with you. See that? Yay, Monica. Awesome, Krishna. Renu, are you still feeling that pulse rate? So Bhavna, it's less. Wonderful. So for whoever, there is still that intensity. It's coming up. Allow it to be released. It's okay. Let it come up. Let it come up. Don't resist. Just allow it and allow it to dissipate. It's okay. You're good. Yay, Mana. Shy, keep continuing to work with the energy, sweetheart. I know it's reduced, but it could go down even further. Keep working. Allow waves of kindness to continue to work with you. Allow the kindness key to work with you. These are your friends. Light keys, all these light frequencies are our friends. They're elements of the universe, which are here at our command. They're here to contribute to us. So the more you will allow yourself to receive, the more it can contribute to you. And sometimes it may not shift right away, but it may shift after some time, because this energy will continue to work with you. And maybe when you wake up tomorrow, you see that you're not feeling intense at all, or it's completely gone away, or it has reduced. So this will keep working. So be aware, be present with it, and allow it to continue to work. Awesome. So Nana, could you please, yes, Nambo. So could you please give the participants the option to unmute and ask any questions that they may have, or if anybody would like to share anything. So we have kept everybody on a mute option because when we're working with these energies, it's nice to not get disturbed with any sounds. So, but I'm happy to actually talk with, have anyone speak, whatever you'd like to share, ask. I'm happy to have a conversation. Thank you, Rohini. Namrata, I'm happy to give you a recording of me saying waves of kindness, but even when you say it, it occurs. So, yeah, Renu, it's so quick, and that's what I love about this. You're so welcome, everybody. I'm so grateful for all the thank yous that are coming in. I'm just so grateful that you chose to experience this. It's so quick, really. Thank you. Any questions, anybody? Anybody would like to share anything? Oh, Renu, thank you.
Yes. Hi, Swati.
Hi, Renu.
Hi. How many times we can use this and when?
You can use this as often as you would like. There is no upper limit. There is no lower limit to this. Whenever you're not feeling good, just say waves of kindness or light matrix clear cancel transmute this. It works brilliantly well and quickly,
Yes,
like you saw just now.
Yeah. It's
You
very
can
good.
use it as much as you want. These are very, very powerful and yet very gentle energies.
While sleeping in the night, we can ask for the waves of kindness and sleep.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Like, let's say you're feeling some
Okay.
intensity in your body, you're feeling some pain, you can call in waves of kindness. You're not feeling good about something, you want to change it. So, the idea is to function from lightness as much as you can. I'm not saying that we will not feel bad about situations, something somebody said or did, but the idea is not to stay stuck there and not to bring your own frequency down. So, how do I keep my frequency up? By using this.
Yes.
Light matrix clear cancel transmute this. It's like,
Yes.
you know, if you have something that has, let's say, some dish has gotten splattered on your floor, okay? Do you continue to leave it there and let it stink? No. What do? You get a mop and you clean it up, right? Right away. Immediately when something spills, what do? We reach out for a mop and we clean that up, right? The mess up. So why do we let the energetic mess stay there and not clean it up?
Yes, very true.
So let
How
us,
can we clean?
sorry?
How can we clean? By asking these tools?
Yes, light matrix, clear, cancel, transmute this and let it go.
Okay.
I'm not saying your situation will change there and then, you know, that person will change. But the more you choose to operate from lightness, the more your environment will reflect situations which will be light and light and light. Okay?
Thank you so much.
So,
Still, I am feeling goosebumps.
I'm so glad.
Very nice. Very
You
nice.
know, I use all of this, everything that I have learned from every body of work that I have learned, whether I use it in my professional career as a facilitator, as a coach or not. But I know I definitely use all of, you know, a lot of it in my own personal life. And that's what allows me to face life in a very beautiful way. And as a result, I just keep creating wonderful things for myself now in my life, vis-a-vis all the nasty stuff that I used to create earlier. It's so beautiful. Use it.
Yes. Yes. Swati, my friends are in COVID and in the hospital, and today I gave them energy pulls. Is it works for them?
Uh,
Is it?
I, I mean, I don't know. I would do a lot of flow. I would do a lot of flow to them.
Yes, they energy pull.
Require.
No, I just did the same pattern we did energy pull. I asked them and they did do the same thing.
Okay. Fantastic. So you can even give them, waves of kindness, and you can also
yes,
give
that's
them.
what I'm going to tell you. That's what I'm going to tell you. Can I give them?
Of course.
Yeah, okay. Yes, very nice. Very nice.
Of course.
Even,
in fact, Neela had shared a very beautiful light matrix command for virus. So,
okay.
Nena, Nena, if it's possible for you, could you share the link of
please.
that video here with everybody?
Sure.
It's a publicly available YouTube video link of Neela's for transmuting virus. So you can use that as well. Ask them to play that video on a loop if you like.
Okay. Please send the link so we can. Yes. This.
Can you explain how to make the kindness key again? Yeah, sure. So basically, this is the kindness key. It's two infinity symbols crossing each other. Okay? Can everyone see this?
Yes.
Lena, can you spotlight me? Okay. So this is like, if you notice, this is two infinity symbols crossing each other, right? So you start at the center and you go clockwise, and you come back to the center, you go anti-clockwise. Then again from the center, you go clockwise, and then you go anti-clockwise. And that's how you create the kindness key.
Spriti, I have a question.
Yes, Deepa.
So when we were doing it, I went the other clockwise way. So that's okay,
That's okay.
no?
That's okay. Don't worry about it.
So how many keys are like that, like this?
Plenty.
Oh, okay. So today you are talking about the kindness key.
Yes.
All right.
The other keys are taught in the different kinds of classes. So like there's this class called the Basic Blueprint course. That's a self-help course. It's not a certification course for using on clients. And in that, you start your practice with 4 keys. And those keys help you embrace the divinity of you and live as the divine being that you truly are. So it's a 36-day practice. And it's a beautiful practice. And then there's another class called the Intermediate, which is the next level, which Neela teaches. And in that, you learn another set of, used to be 4, now it's 5 keys. So there are more and more keys. And so, yeah, there are about 9 of these. And then there are other variations of how to use them for different things.
So is there any level to go, like in Reiki we have level 1, 2, 3, in Access we have the core class, the bars,
Right.
so like that in
Right.
this?
So while there are some classes which are classes that you begin with, but if you want to go further, then yes, some of the classes have advanced levels as well for you to go
Okay.
deeper. So like, let's say if you were doing something called a basic light key frequency class, where
Huh.
you learn to use 3 different frequencies for, different outcomes. Then you say, oh my God, I really love using these light key frequencies. And this is usable for clients as well. It's a practitioner program. Then you would go for another level, which is light key frequencies for creating a limitless reality. And there you learn 3 more frequencies. And then if you like that as well and you want to go further, there's a class on vortices. So you go for that particular class where you work with vortex of a frequency, not just the frequency. So like that, there'll be three kind of levels in that particular class. There's something called like a joyous body protocol. If you like it, it's a class where you learn to use these high vibration keys on your body or on your client's body, because it's a practitioner program. And that helps you to raise the immunity of your body. So if you like it and you want to go further, then there's something that Neela teaches. So there are these basic classes that facilitators like me teach, and then there are certain classes which Neela teaches. So you can go for the next level with Neela, which is called Joyous Embodiment, where you use some of those keys in a different way on your body. So yes, so some of the classes have levels, some of the classes are one-off, and it's just that. Like, let's say if you came in for a class which is called Light Key Protocol for clearing trauma and abuse. So that is a standalone class. There will be no level to it, and that class is enough. So that's how it functions.
So do you have a package of classes, or you have like one class?
So we always offer classes as a single class. They're all independently priced, whether you do 1 or 2 or 3, the prices don't change. They are regulated by Infinite Healing, which is Neela's company. And but you can choose, I would like to learn Joyous Body Protocol, but I also have a lot of trauma in my body, so I'd like to do clearing trauma. And I have this huge judgment and resentment against my own self or against somebody, and I want to be free of it. I want to live with ease and peace. So you may choose 2 or 3 different classes for yourself. Or you may say, you know what, I'm only interested in my self journey. I just want to do the basic blueprint course where I draw those keys, and you just work with just that one class.
Okay, and these
Or,
keys
yeah,
we get physically?
no, I mean, we teach you how to draw them. So
Because you
there are
have the key
manuals.
with you, no?
So this one, when Neela had come for the class in December, this is like a product on the Infinite Healing website. So she had stickers and she had keychains. Some.
Okay,
Yeah. So we can get them for you. This.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
And
They're a product.
somehow, okay, and if you can talk about your prosperity class, because 2, 3 times Naina posted it and it was always, clashing with something I'd committed
Okay.
earlier.
Okay.
So,
So the Prosperity Activation Program is a program where we go through a series of questions which help you become very clear about what you truly desire. You know, a lot of times we think we desire something, but when we really go to look at it, it's not even something we truly desire. We desire it because a lot of other people desire it, or we desire it because somebody has forced their expectations on us. So we desire it, whatever may be the reason. So basically, you come to that place where you truly desire something. So there's one part of the program where you identify what is it that you truly desire. Now, let me tell you something, whether you've ever come to that program or not, this is for everybody. You know what creates the biggest pull in your universe? What brings in anything in your life is your true desire. If your desire is truly your desire and you truly, truly, truly desire it, it creates the biggest pull in the universe. And if you notice, if there's something that you truly desired, it has shown up in your life at some point of
yes,
time or the other. Okay?
true.
So the first part of the program enables you to become very clear about what you truly desire. And then we check in. So there is a certain check we do using a certain frequency, whether it is really your desire or somebody else's desire. Then we go to the next part of the class, which is we remove all the blocks and resistances that you may have to prosperity. So you will see that while you're saying I desire this, but there is something else going on which does not allow you to have that what you're asking for. So we clear all the resistances, and then there's a third part of the program where we energize that desire. And then that energizing you can do on a daily basis for the next 11 days if you like. So that energizing enables it to actualize with ease.
So that prosperity could be.
Yeah.
Sorry, continue.
Go ahead.
Then,
so that energizing, when you do that activity on a daily basis, you're basically being in the vibration of what you're asking for.
yes. So it could be.
Yeah, you align with it. You kind of tune into that channel where it exists.
So that prosperity could be in money, health, relationships, anything,
yes.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, then
prosperity is not just money. Prosperity is every area of your life prospering.
Yeah.
See, we are infinite beings. We are living on a planet which is abundant. The inherent nature of this planet is to thrive, to grow.
Right.
And you are made up of that same material, same consciousness. Right?
Correct.
That same consciousness flows through you, which you call the spirit, consciousness, light, chi, prana, whatever. Now, the nature of that is to thrive, to grow, which is why from a little minuscule dot, you become such a big body. That little seed becomes a plant. Anywhere you look, everything thrives, everything grows. And which is why we have dreams, aspirations, desires, because that is our inherent nature. We want to thrive. So our dreams are not just something that we need to accomplish. Our dreams are basically an invitation for us to step up, to show up, to grow. That's what any target, any dream is all about. It's not the dream in itself that you're hankering for. It is the growth that you know that will occur because you're going for that target. You're going for that dream. This is
Correct.
that growth that you really hanker for.
Okay. All right.
So thank you for asking me
So
this
now
question.
it's
I'm so
very
happy.
confusing to know which class to choose, the key, this light key or the prosperity or
So, Deepa, this is how I look at it. Like, there are so many classes now. Like, when we first began, there were barely 2, 3 classes. Now there are like so many classes. So, this is how I look at it, and I can only share with you how I look at it. So, I look at it, what is it that I truly desire? Do I want to focus only on my self help? Do I want to add it as a body of work where I can use this for my clients? Or, wow, that's like a nice thunder. Or
yes.
do I want to become a facilitator? So depending on what your objective is to begin with. So you may begin with, okay, you know what? I just want to do this for my own sake. So then I would recommend, do something like the basic blueprint course, and maybe do something like clearing abuse and trauma and forgiveness. It's called the Golden Wings of Kindness class, so also known as the forgiveness protocol. I would highly recommend these 3 classes because they really contribute to self growth. But if you say, Smriti, I want to work with my clients, I would say, hey, why don't you look at doing joyous body protocol? Why don't you look at doing light key frequency? Why don't you look at doing basic light medicine? Because these are the things that you can use to contribute to your clients. These are all certification programs. So you can contribute to your clients for their well-being. Okay? Even prosperity activation program is a certification program. So you can work with clients to enable them to prosper in every area of your life. And then if you say, you know what, I want to become a facilitator, I want to facilitate these classes, then there's a whole load of classes that you need to do because then that's part of the curriculum. Then it's a no-brainer. You know what you have to do and you go for all of it.
So then is there any license that you have to renew every year like Access, or how does it work?
Yes. So when you get your license to facilitate a class or to actually that applies for the facilitators. So to facilitate classes, the license is valid for 1 year, but as a practitioner, it's one time.
No, that I got it. I'm asking you I'm asking you for the knowledge of it, because then you see.
Yeah. So that's what I'm saying. When you want to facilitate these classes, the license is for 1 year.
1 year. Then
You have to renew your
renew
facilitator
by
training.
money only, or by taking the repeat of these classes, or how?
Well, 1 year is not up yet. So I don't know what will be the guidelines then. Whether there'll be additional things for us to take on, not take on, I have no idea, because like I said, it was just this year that we started facilitating. And I don't know what it will be like a year down the line, whether it will automatically, I can just choose the facilitated training and renew it, or whether I'll have to add some more classes. I don't know really. I can't answer that for you today. That's something for Neela to say. But when you get a practitioner certification, that's one time. That doesn't have to be renewed again.
Yes. So I'm sorry to ask this question. I don't know, but
why sorry? But please ask.
Okay. So can you put it up on the group, or is there on the website these things given? See, because I would first like to work on myself always. See how it works for me, and then only I can offer it to others. Sure. I don't think there would be anybody who say, okay, it didn't work for me, but you can try it for you, right? So first work on myself and get clarity.
Sure.
So, if there is like a 1, 2, 3 or ABC, like how I asked you right now.
Sure. So that would, I would say that would vary from person to person. Like for you, maybe 2 classes combination may do beautifully well, or just a single class. But for somebody else, they may require something else completely. So I'm just very happy to connect one-on-one with people. And that's what I really do. Just connect with me one-on-one. My number, Nana, you can just share my number. And I'm just happy to talk to you, have a conversation with you, and see what will contribute most to you, and then take it from there.
Okay.
Yeah, like I said, if you're working with clients, these are the things. If you're working on yourself, these are the things. But there may be something that you particularly require. So only when I have a conversation with you as to what is it that you would really like changing in your life, I could give you that consult and say, hey, why don't you go for this?
Okay. Sure. And yeah, keep repeating the post for the prosperity because I will do it.
Sure.
Because 2 times I couldn't, but I think now third time the time will be right for me to do it.
All right, my love. It will be wonderful to have you on board.
Yes, yes,
Would
thank you.
Thank you so much, Deepa. And would anyone like to share their experience? Go, Namrata.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Hello. I'm so glad I joined, even though it was like stuff I've done before with you in classes. Um, so I shared this with you on chat, remember? And I was not sure if I wanted to share it like out in open, but it feels light and it feels right.
Okay.
My first class with you was the protocol for abuse and trauma, and I
Yeah.
don't even know why I did it. I'm still quite uncomfortable to do that, but it propelled me to do the other classes. So I think I did like the basic light keys, I did the frequencies, and then the JBP. And I was waiting to do the JBP because I'd received sessions from Nena, and Nena is such a brilliant practitioner as well.
She
And
is.
the wonderful thing with JBP is that it it just puts me on a different level. It's 15 minutes that I sit doodling on
Yeah.
myself, which I do anyways when I'm snoozing with my alarm in the bed. And I'm sensing more openness to the beings of light. I just feel like things are contributing to me
Yeah.
energetically,
Yeah.
and I don't have any cognitive awareness of it. It
Yeah.
doesn't mean things don't happen or go wrong, but I feel I'm flowing with it more easily. Um, and I've been doing JPP for friends, and I even have a friend who wanted to pay me because she wanted like 11 sessions together, which I never do. Like, so that's again new for me.
But I
Um,
hope you did
I
receive the
did. I received
contribution.
money for it. I did. And you know what? There was one day when I was not feeling great, and she gifted me a session out of her package. She's like, don't give it to me today. Take it for yourself. Like, I was so touched because, like, you're giving me money and then you're giving me a
Uh,
session out of that as well. Like, it was very overwhelming. Oh my God.
but that's the beauty of these light keys, sweetheart.
It,
When, like I said, when we bring in more lightness in our world, we see lightness coming from everywhere.
yes. Yes. And it's very complimentary. It never, like, it's not that I don't practice other modalities or
Of
it
course.
makes it easy, like you've been saying in your classes, that you can't believe just how smooth it could be until it actually happens and you're like, oh, nothing went wrong today. Yay. So that
Awesome.
that is there, and I'm glad because the demo really, I've said light matrix, cancer clear, transmute this, but to actually sit with it rather than
Yeah.
so I feel like this practice today
Yeah.
reiterated what it is to like just be with yourself, observe it, and let it work, rather than thank you for that. um,
Absolutely. So when you say it a couple of times or 3 times or whatever you feel like, then just sit. Let it do its work. Give it a chance.
yeah.
Get out of the head and just be with that energy. And it works so beautifully well.
Yes, yes. I had a question. Do we have time?
Yes.
Because your
Of
hour
course
is
we do.
up. Yeah. Okay. So
Sure.
my question was around every once in a while I won't know what tool to use. And now that we did this session today, I know I can always ask for waves of kindness, and I can always look at a light matrix. But like we have clearing statements, so sometimes we use affirmations, or sometimes there are other things that you would use. Um, how do you know when to progress from one to another? Because I've in the morning I do the basic light keys and it starts my day well, and then in the middle of the day I'm struggling and I don't know which one, like, what do you choose and how do you
All
choose?
right.
And
So in that moment, that confusion or that lack of clarity is bothering you, right? Because you really don't know. So what
yeah.
I would do is first I would clear that confusion. So I would say, okay, light matrix, clear, cancel, transmute this.
Okay.
Okay. Now
Yeah.
once that intensity of that confusion is,
Right.
gone,
Yeah.
okay, what can contribute to me right now?
Okay.
And boom, something comes.
Right.
Yeah, okay. I need to use that affirmation, or I need to use that clearing statement, or, I need to use this key.
Yeah.
And you're done.
Yeah.
Or, so, and they may be like from your basic blueprint course, there's a key that brings you a lot of ease. So use that.
Yes.
So first get the confusion gone. with the
Yes.
light matrix.
Yeah.
And then ask the question, what will contribute to me now?
Okay.
What could I use now?
Yeah.
And you'll get an awareness.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
Does that help?
Thank you. Thank you. Yes, it does. Mwah.
Thank you so much. Would anybody else like to share their experience, or anybody has any questions?
I have a question, Smriti.
Yes, Rohini.
Is this like in many modalities, like you're building up on a muscle, right? So in this, is it just the feeling of energy and, you opening up more and more to receiving that, those waves of kindness, and whatever energy you're supposed to receive? Uh, is it more of that? Because right now when we did this little practice of waves of kindness, and I saw a little difference, but not so much,
Yes.
yeah, and
Yes.
there were more feelings that were emerging. I was
Yes.
getting more anxious. I was so how does that help? I mean, do I use these basic two things that you have
Yes.
just
Yes.
said?
You use
And
that. Yes. You use that. Like I said, the frequency will continue to work. So even if right now you look at it, what
yeah,
you were when we were doing the practice and where you are now, you may see that there's a bit of a shift, even between then and now,
yeah,
because the frequencies are still working with you and they will
okay,
continue to work with you. Okay. And then you can repeat it whenever you feel like. And also, what happens, Rohini, is this is just a small demo session, just to
right,
give you a feel of it.
yeah,
But there are a lot of things that will require slightly more detailed work, as in there may be certain belief systems which are very deep rooted, which you will need to work with, and
right,
you may need to work with it either through one of the classes that you learn, or you could work with one of the facilitators or one of the practitioners. But you will need to go deeper, sweetheart, because
right,
there's lots behind that.
yeah,
And
yeah,
this
of
is
course,
really not the forum for going there to that
absolutely,
level at this point of time. But yes, so the idea is anything and everything that is not working for us, to let it go and replace it with wonderful things, to replace it with lightness,
yes,
right?
yeah,
See, you cannot fight the dark, and you
yes,
cannot deny the dark,
yes,
but you can always switch on the light. You don't have to live in the dark.
right,
Yeah.
yeah,
So there's bound to be the good and the bad, and the beautiful and the ugly. All of it exists simultaneously in our world.
yep,
But what dominates my life and what governs my life on a day-to-day basis is simply my decision. Nobody else has a right to decide what will dominate my life.
yeah,
So it's for me to choose. I want to switch on the light. I want a dim light. I want intense light. I
yeah,
want like very bright light. I want all kinds of colored lights.
yeah,
That choice is mine.
yeah. And if you're doing other modalities as well, right?
Yes.
So all of them are helping us reach this goal of
Absolutely.
yeah. So how does one not get overwhelmed? Like every modality has so many tools, like the abundance of tools, like what light key protocol would have,
Yeah.
what another
Yeah.
modality would have. So how does one not get overwhelmed? And like Nambo was saying that what tool to use at what time. How does one handle that? Because I do sometimes get so overwhelmed with the number of tools that my brain just shuts down, and then
I
I
get
get
that.
into a contractive space.
I get that. I get that.
Yeah.
Like I said, when that confusion is occurring or that overwhelm is happening, that overwhelm is not going to allow
Yeah.
you to have any clarity. So best is to first clear the overwhelm
Right.
and then ask what will contribute to me the most here. Now, personally, because I've been doing this work for many years, I'm kind of tuned in and I instinctively know which tool to go for. And I have
Right.
learned so many modalities that it's like, like a radar. I just ding, 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 ding,
Yeah.
ding, ding, that. And I just use what I need. So I may use something from a Jinshin Jutsu, or I may use something from Access, or I may use something from EFT, or I may use something from Light Keys, or I may use something from Body Whispering. I just use what shows up in that moment because I am not in that place where if I use this, will it work? No, I just give it a chance and I use it. So whatever pops in my awareness in that moment, I go with it.
Right.
Okay? It's
Yeah.
only when we are very vested, no, whatever I choose, it has to clear everything and everything must occur this way. Then that, complications start. So every modality is beautiful and every modality has wonderful things to contribute to us.
Yeah.
The trick is to know which one to use in which moment. And with time and with practice, you see, for this, that works brilliantly well. I just simply use that. And what works very brilliantly well at one point in time may not necessarily work brilliantly well the next time. So you've always got to be willing to be open to see what will work for me in this moment.
Yeah, I guess what you can receive and, just be open and what you can receive at that point in time.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Thank
So,
you.
thank you so much, Rohini. And so, Renu, you said easy to say, but we can't. So I know where you're coming from, but I would highly encourage you to give this a shot for a longer time. I used to feel the same way. What do you know? You don't know what I have been through. What do you understand? And yet I stuck to my guns. I was very clear that I wanted to change my life and I wanted to live a happier life. And which is the reason why I went from one workshop to another, learning so many things. And today I have created it. So yes, it's not been easy to begin with, but it's not been impossible. So please don't write anything off. And everything is changeable. From no money to plenty money, from nasty relationships to beautiful relationships, from fourth stage cancer to a healthy body. I have achieved it all.
Out
Who
of
says
home,
it's not
you create
possible?
so much, but at home you can't create.
Why cannot you create at home?
I don't know why. I have tried so many times. I asked Ashish, Bharti, you and whoever it is, but I think somewhere I am stuck or I don't know what happens.
So what we could do is, I'm very happy to chat with you one-on-one. But what I do know is that I have turned everything around in my life, and I have seen many of my clients turning life around for themselves. And I have seen many facilitators empower their participants, their clients, and many people have gone on to change many aspects of their life. And all of them are just showing us that this possibility of change exists. And please remember that it is I who's the creator of my life. And when I change something within my life, that will get reflected on the outside. So let's not wait for the outside to change. Let's work on our own self. And all the modalities that you may have gone to give you tools to be able to actually change yourself. They're not modalities about changing others, if you notice.
Yes.
Because
Yes,
you cannot
I tried.
change anybody else.
Yes,
Because
yes.
everything outside of you is a reflection of what your perception is.
Yes.
So if you are looking at something which is blue in color actually, but you're looking at it through a red glass, you will see it as purple. And you will insist, Smriti, this is purple. And I cannot argue with you that it is purple because I know that you're seeing it through a red glass. So it's bound to appear purple to you, right? So it is our perception that is what gets reflected, okay? And that it is what it is, it is. It may not be the same for me, but It is what it is for you.
Yes.
So if you want to change what it is for you, you've got to change the glasses.
Yes. Yes.
Okay?
Glass
You've got to
आधा भरा
change,
है या yes.
yeah.
The,
You've got to change your beliefs.
yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You've got to change your points of view.
Yes.
From one point of view, it seems it's not possible. It's difficult.
Yes.
It's not easy. But if you went to another place and looked at it from that point of view, this is very easy. So it all depends on where are you looking at it from. So be
Yes.
willing to change your vantage point is what I would invite you to. Because if you decide that it's not possible, then it's not possible.
Not possible. Yes.
Then
Yes.
no one can assist you with that.
Yes. Thank you so much.
You are so welcome. And
Oh,
I'm happy
no.
to chat with you personally as well. Okay?
Thank you so much.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Panch, is that how we pronounce it?
Yeah, thanks for today's session. I experienced from low to a very, very high and confusing energy. And
Uh-huh.
in fact, I wanted to chat with you in person if that's possible, to understand what would be
Absolutely.
better, what is the right thing to do where I am today in my life, because
Sure.
I'm at a very critical phase and I really
Sure.
need to understand what would work best.
Sure. So
Yeah.
we've Nana has shared my number. You're please most welcome to just connect with me. Just
Yeah.
send me a message and we'll set up a time and we'll
Yeah.
chat.
Okay, thank you.
You're most welcome. Anybody else has any questions that you would like a perspective on? Thank you, Renu.
We had a question on the Facebook Live by Preeti.
All right.
She joined in like 15 to 20 minutes prior, and her question was, what are these keys for?
The light key systems which I'm talking about today is a system channeled by Nirmala Raju, and these are basically, it's a system which enables you to bring light and lightness into your world, and it enables you to heal yourself, your body, your being, and create a beautiful life.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for asking that question. All right. So if there's nothing else from anybody, then I will wish you a beautiful day ahead, beautiful evening, beautiful afternoon, and a wonderful weekend. And thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you for being here, for joining me on Zoom, on Facebook. I'm ever so grateful, and I'm so grateful for Neela for bringing these light key systems to us. And I'm so grateful to the universe for having our back and for guiding us to whatever we require at whatever point of time of our life that we require it. We don't just show up anywhere randomly. Everything comes to us and we get to some place because that's where we need to be in that moment. And may whatever you have learned today, that little, demo that we did, that little experience that we had, please keep using it, and please keep bringing more and more lightness into your world. I wish you much love, lots of laughter, lots of lightness, lots of prosperity. Stay well, stay blessed. And thank you so, so, so very much.
Thank you, Smee. Lovely meeting you like this. Believe it or no, I remember you every single day.
Oh, thank you so, so very much. I'm so glad you're here,
Thanks
Bhavna.
a lot for whatever I have learned from you, yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody on Facebook. We're going to end the live stream here.